The thing I love about ChatGPT is not only is it a great tool to write and assist with the writing of content, but it's also good at solving problems. So, like if you need to ask a question, like you would normally type that into Google, but you can also type it into ChatGPT and get an answer pretty quickly. A good, for instance, is here I have a list of sales that I made throughout the year, and then I want to calculate how much I made this year and the percentage difference between these two columns. So normally you would just type in a function into Excel to get that to difference, but if you don't know what that difference is, or you don't know the formula, you can go right into ChatGPT and it'll give you an answer pretty quickly. So like here, I'm going to just ask it, what is the Excel formula to calculate the percentage difference between two columns? And it's going to give me the exact formula that I need right there. So I could take the formula that it gave me and then just throw that into my Excel and then get the exact percentage difference that I'm looking for. So I mean, it's just stuff like this that if you haven't thought about using ChatGPT for these kinds of things, maybe now you know something that you didn't.